with your friends and your Easy Bake.
Now it's more fun than ever to
decorate
with the Easy Bake frosting pen.
You can swirl your cookies. Ooh. Frost your cakes.
And so easy to switch frosting colors and designs. For fun baking ideas and to show off your own creations, you and a parent can log on to easybake.com. Easy Bake frosting pen. Oven and mixes sold separately. Use frosting from home. Adult supervision required.
This October, safely celebrate all month long at the new Chuck E. Cheese's Halloween Boo-tacular. Kids get a free treat bag. Plus, don't miss DJ Munch's glow parties and our boo-tastic new show. Only at Chuck E. Cheese.
I just had a dream that I had a big bowl of Oreo O's cereal.
Well, I guess all your dreams are coming true.
Well, not all of them. Oh, there we go.
It's not a dream. It's Oreo O's cereal.
It's the season to add a little warmth to life out here. And though the past year has been an unexpected one, all 38,000 of us are ready to help you make the most of this fall with everything you need at everyday low prices. So you can take care of the ones who count on you. Prepare for those shorter days and cooler nights, and sit back and warm up to more family time. Prepare together, enjoy together, stronger together. Tractor Supply.
We are young, we run green, keep our teeth nice and clean. See our friends, see the sights, feel alright. But we are young, we get by, can't go mad, ain't got time, play around if we like, but we're alright. Play around if we like, but we're alright.
To drop you out of your skull. Squinkies boys, Squinkies boys. Pop 'em, squish 'em, trade 'em with your crew. Squinkies boys, you can battle 'em too. Ninja skaters, gators so tough. T-Rex troopers can't get enough. New Squinkies boys, Marvel heroes, Spider-Man, Iron Man, hundreds of Squinkies boys to collect. Squinkies boys, Squinkies boys. Squish 'em, squash 'em one by one. Squinkies boys, more Squinkies fun. Squinkies boys, figures and playsets each sold separately. Get Squinkified.
They come from a land of ice and snow. Now belugas have a home in Arctico. Reach out, touch, give them a smile. You'll make a new friend for a long while. You never know when you'll fall in love again. So come on, raise your hands. Arctico Marine Land. Yeah, yeah. Everyone loves Marine Land.
Some holiday traditions are worth sharing. Swiss Chalet's Festive Special. Taste it once, love it forever.
After these messages, we'll be back.
Here we are, going far to save all that we love. If we give all we've got, we will make it through. Here we are, like a star shining bright
Our heating
monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a natural or man-made disaster, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
We step on it. We can photocopy the leaflets before lunch, Jeremy.
Well, you know what? I'm not into rock. Besides, I want to check on that outage.
Okay,